Protect a printer or two from dust, dirt, and splashing water in an IceStation printer enclosure. Introducing the NEMA 12 PB56 Freestanding Printer Enclosure. The PB56 enclosure body is 12 gauge painted steel and measures 56 inches high by 26 inches wide by 26 inches deep. The PB56 can store a printer in the top section and a second printer in the bottom section. The top of the enclosure features a hinged printer door with handle and a magnetic closure. A sliding shelf can be adjusted vertically and will support printers weighing approximately 100 pounds. A second hinged printer door and sliding shelf can be added to the bottom of the enclosure. The bottom portion can also be used to store printer supplies. The freestanding enclosure has a gasketed tool-free split panel for dust-tight cable entry and industrial-grade casters which lock in the front and swivel in the rear. Lift eyes on the top of the enclosure can be used to transport the PB56 into place. The lockable front and rear doors allow for easy printer access to change out ink, paper, or labels. A filtered fan system can be added to create positive pressure on the inside of the enclosure and prevent dust and dirt entry. Still have questions? Call 1-800-423-9911. Email info@ITSEnclosures.com. Or simply visit ITSEnclosures.com and click on the Products tab for all of our IceStation products.